If you have seen these things floating around the internet and wondered, hey, maybe it would be worth it for me to get one of those handy little dandy things, this is your sign. I'm going to show you exactly how this thing works and whether or not it's going to have what you need in a tiny little screwdriver. I don't have the technical terms for this. We're just going to call it tiny little screwdriver. This is a review for the Precision Electric Screwdriver set. I got the 44 in 1. There's a 66 in 1 as well. Let's open it up. Right off the bat, so you get this little charging cord. One of the reasons I chose this is because it has a USB-C recharging cord, which means I don't have to have batteries on hand. I also don't have to worry about the micro USB, which I think those tend to break a lot more easier. I don't have to worry about which direction it goes in to charge it. Something I want to point out with this set is it comes with some of the like security screw heads, like this triangle here and the smaller versions of that triangle there. Those are really hard to find. And so when I opened this up and saw that this had this, I was like, oh my gosh, that is impressive. Meaning like certain toys or electronics, if you tend to need to get into those, if you like to fix things that are broken rather than just throw them away, it's really handy to have some of these security screw heads on hand. Let's say I need to replace the batteries in my daughter's toy here. I'm gonna grab my shorty, pop it in, okay? Turn it on like this. Green light goes on, super easy. And it also has a light, so watch. And then of course, really accessible with your hands. The design of this is also different than a lot of them that I saw in that it's got this flat edge, which actually makes it a lot easier to grip. So this thing is out, bada bing, bada boom. Let's screw it back in. It's really far down there, as you can see, and it's too big to fit in there. It can't reach it. Let's reach for one of the tall ones. Okay. Pop it in. See how much longer that is? It's nice and narrow. It can get in here. Now I'm going to use the light. So turn on my light and okay, dark. I cannot see in there. But as soon as I hold that, look at that. I can see perfectly fine. So I just position that. And it comes right. Oh, look at that. It holds on to it for me. I can see what I'm doing because that light shines right in there. Done. Done. Let me shine the light in so you can see. I'm just using the light from the screwdriver. Isn't that amazing? 10 out of 10. This thing is amazing. I have to hide this from my husband. Okay. See ya.